Okay, for diamond problems, right, we have to fill in the missing. So they even give you the pattern, which I would never give you on a test, so you should know that. So it's what times -1 gives me -4, so that's a 4, and it doesn't fit, so I'm just going to write it like that. And then 4 plus -1 is 3, so there's the first one done. The second one, I multiply the 2 to get the top, so that's 16. Oops, 16. And I add to get the bottom, so that's -8. For C, it's what plus -3 is 8, right? So that's 11. 11 plus -3 is 8. And 11 times -3 is -33, so that would be up in the top. And the last one, what multiplied gives me -7, and added gives me 6. So a -1 times 7 gives me -7, and added -1 plus 7 gives me 6. So that's -1 and 7. For the problems down here, right, what I would do if I couldn't see that is I would look for what the multiples are to get me -7. So I could even make a table, right? I could do -7. I could say 1 times -7, -1 times 7. They're the only two things multiplied that are going to give me -7. And then I could add them to see which one gives me the bottom number. So 1 and -7 gives me -6. And -1 and 7 gives me 6, so it's this pair, right? You can always just list all the factors to find them.